Good morning, students. So as we are discussing about excretory system or excretion in animals, okay, so we talk that it is the process of removal of waste material, harmful waste material from the body, okay, and there are different organs which are associated with the excretory, means removal of waste. We have lungs also, we have kidneys, we have skin, okay, so we have different organs associated with the removal of waste. Then we talked about solid waste, liquid waste and gaseous waste that are removed from our body. So today we are going to talk about excretory system in humans. System in humans. That means in human being, how this or how excretion of urine takes place. How excretion takes place. So the main organs of the human excretory system are, so the organs associated are, number one, kidneys, number two, we have ureters or ureters, okay, ureters, ureters. Number three, we have urinary bladder, and at last we have urethra. At last we have urethra, urethra. So these are the organs associated or linked with the excretory system in humans. Okay, excretory system in humans. So we have kidneys as main organ. Okay, ureterus is the duct. Duct means a pipe-like structure. Okay, which is connected with urinary bladder and kidneys. Okay, and urinary bladder is a sac-like structure, which stores the urine, and urethra is a organ which is associated with removal of the waste. Okay, so kidneys we have two in numbers. That means we have kidney on the left and right hand side of our body. Okay, we have two kidneys, and these kidneys are attached with a duct-like structure. Okay, it is a tube-like structure. Ureter are tube-like structure, and this is also two in number. That means two kidneys are attached with the ureters in a urinary bladder, which is one in number, a sac-like structure which stores all the urines, and urethra, it is a open, it is also one in number. Okay, so kidneys are the most important. These kidneys, they are the kidneys are most important organ associated with excretory system. Okay, is the most important organ of this system. So each kidney consists of million of filters called nephron. Okay, it consists of million of filters called nephron. Okay, that means kidney consists of nephron. There are millions of nephron, okay, which act as a filter. That means to filter the waste thing. Okay, to filter the waste thing shown alongside. That means this nephron is termed as, it is also defined as the structural and functional unit of kidney. Structural and functional unit of kidneys. same as the case of human beings. Okay, so our body are made up of cells, and cell is the structural and functional unit of body, that means life. So same is the case of nephron also. Nephron is present in the kidney and it is one of the main things, that means it acts as a filter. Okay, it acts as a filter. So each nephron consists of a large number of coiled capillaries. So this nephron, it consists of coiled capillaries. Coiled capillaries. It consists of a coiled capillaries, which is termed as glomeruli. 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 Okay, glomeruli. So nephron is the structural and function unit of life, which is present in the kidneys in million of numbers, okay, which act as a filter, and each nephron consists of the coiled capillaries called glomeruli. Okay, it is a term given. Okay, it is a coil-like structure. Number one, kidneys. Okay, so these capillaries filter the blood through the walls by dialysis. That means this capillary filters the blood. Filters the blood. Okay, so nephron acts as a filter which consists of glomeruli, okay, which filters the blood by capillary action. Okay, by capillary action. So these capillary filter the blood through the walls by dialysis, and the process of filtration is called dialysis. Okay, so think in a simple way. Kidney is the main function or main organ associated with excretory system, which consists of million of nephrons which act as a filter, and nephron consists of a coiled capillaries which is called glomeruli, which filters the blood by capillary action, and that filtration and that process is called dialysis. Okay, that process is called dialysis. So this was about kidney. Now let's talk about what it contains. Okay, how it is dilated, or what is removed through kidney. So what happens? The yellowish filtered solution, okay, we have a yellowish filtered solution containing glucose, uric acid, or urea, salt, you can write urea, okay, salt. So a yellowish filter solution containing glucose, urea, salt, okay, the waste product, okay, which is termed as urine. It is called urine. Okay, so urine is the yellowish filter solution containing glucose, urea and salt. Okay, passes through the ureter. That means second one. This was the first one, kidney. Second, ureter. That means ureter are tube-like structure connecting kidney with urinary bladder. Urinary bladder. Okay, just understand. Again I will explain you. So kidney is the major organ which contains million of nephrons which act as a filter, okay, which as a cold capillaries glomerulum, okay, and it filters the blood through a capillary action called dialysis. And after it is filtered, after the blood is filtered, okay, after the blood is filtered, it removes a yellowish filtered solution. It removes a yellowish filtered solution which contain glucose, urea, salt and other impurities, which is called urine, which is termed as urine. Okay, so what is filtered? The filtered part, the blood is filtered, okay, and whatever the waste material, that waste material is called urine, and this urine is passed through kidney by ureter, which is a tube-like structure connected to the kidney, okay, connected to the kidney, and this ureter, they store the urine in the urinary bladder, in the urinary bladder, where all the waste material is stored, okay, where all the waste material is stored. After that, from the urinary bladder through urethra, okay, through urethra, it is removed. Urethra removes the urine. Urethra removes the urine through anus or through penis, okay, it removes the urine, okay. So just understand the thing, okay. So in excretory system we have kidneys, ureter, urinary bladder and urethra, okay. So kidney contains million of filters called nephron which filters the blood, okay, and it contains a coiled capillaries called glomerulum which filters the blood through the capillary action called dialysis. It filters the blood and the waste which is removed is called urine, and it is yellowish solution which contain glucose, urea and salts, okay. So this waste material which we call urine is removed by ureter, which is a pipe-like structure, a tube-like structure connecting kidney and urinary bladder, and this urine is stored in urinary bladder, and some pressure, when pressure is formed, when it is filled, it is removed through urethra, okay, it is removed through urethra. So this is the process of excretion, how kidney removes the waste product, okay, how kidney removes the waste product, urine in the form of urine.